Hello everyone and welcome to this painting journey. Today I will be painting something simple yet deeply meaningful. A single feather. At first glance it may look like just a fragile piece of nature, but if you look closer, a feather carries a source of freedom, of flight, of dreams. As the brushes touches canvas, let's allow this feather to take us on a quiet journey. A feather is light. It floats on the breeze, carried wherever the wind decides. Sometimes it lands in unexpected places, reminding us that not everything in life can be controlled. Much like painting itself, you may begin with a plan, but the colors, the textures, the strokes, they take on life of their own. As I add the first layers of paint, I think of the bird that once carried this feather. Maybe it belonged to the hawk soaring high above mountains, or perhaps the songbird hidden among the trees, filling the air with melody. Every feather has a story, just as every person carries their own unseen story. Feathers are symbols across many cultures. Some see them as messages from the sky, gentle reminders that we're not alone. Others see them as a sign of courage and strength. When I paint this feather, I imagine it not only as a part of nature, but as a piece of hope, self-resting on the canvas. Notice the way the brush's strokes blend light, delicate, almost like the softness of real feathers. Painting something so fragile requires patience, and in that patience there is peace. Sometimes we rush through life, trying to get to the end, but in art, every slow moment is part of the beauty. As the feather comes to life, I realize it's not just about the image. It's about what it represents: freedom, dreams, the ability to rise above challenges. Maybe that's why feathers inspire so many people. They remind us that we too can rise even when the world feels heavy. So, here it is, a single painted feather. A reminder of lightness, of freedom, and of beauty in the smallest details. Thank you for spending this quiet, creative time with me. I hope this further inspires you to notice the little things around you and maybe even pick up a brush yourself. Until next time, keep creating and keep dreaming.